Hey there, digital explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an electrifying topic that's taken the internet by storm, NFTs. Get ready to unlock the secrets of NFTs, the digital asset revolution unveiled. Imagine owning a rare piece of digital art, music, or even a virtual land in your favorite game. That's where NFTs come into play. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token, and it's changing the way we view digital ownership. Now, don't be intimidated by the jargon. NFTs are powered by blockchain technology, which ensures every NFT is unique, secure, and can't be duplicated. Just like a digital certificate of authenticity. But here's the exciting part, NFTs are giving creators, artists, and game developers the chance to directly connect with their fans and sell their digital masterpieces. No middlemen, no fuss. And guess what? There are platforms like OpenSea and Rarible where you can explore, buy, and even trade NFTs. Some have sold for jaw-dropping prices. Now, hold on tight, because we've got something special to share. Are you looking for a government-registered platform for e-learning? Need flexible work from home options with just 1-2 hours of daily work and weekly payments? Head over to the link in our Instagram bio. It's a fantastic opportunity to expand your horizons while earning from the comfort of your home. Okay, here's the thing, when it comes to NFTs or crypto, remember that what we're discussing isn't financial advice. It's all for educational purposes, so you can understand the fascinating world of digital assets better. By the way, if you're ready to take your first steps into the NFT and crypto universe, connect with us on Instagram. Whether you're curious about buying your first NFT or just want to chat about the latest trends, we're here to guide you. Thanks for joining us on this electrifying journey through NFTs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious, stay digital.